My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey. Wonders they say it shall never end. Oh. Tori, when dem talk say e no be tori at all, e don dey become major tori wey everybody dey gather now. Come sit down like say na tales by moonlight. My people, una know say Ipa from the very beginning of this whole saga between him and Reji, na him dey feel like another god wey dey buga, e dey form, dey poof, dey benyash. E never reach anywhere now, omo. Ipa don dey sober, e don dey wail, e don dey pain am for body because of Regina Daniel last action wey she do. E no ever believe say at this point in time Reji go do dis kind thing to am, knowing fully well say dis particular thing, dis her children, na im be her major priority, wey im dey feel am say na the major reason wey make e hold those children so that im go fit get to Regina Daniel. But omo, at the end of the day, Regina show am say no be children na im be everything. Yes o, because im make am look as if since na her everything, im go hold am until she return back. But she come let am know talk say, if you think say na my everything, you wan hold me to ransom, I go let you know talk say dem no be my everything once dem dey with you. But when I am there, they are my everything. Na im be dis matter wey dey ground so. My people, make una draw una chair come closer. Make una come hear matter. That yesterday when Regina Daniel children celebrated their birthday, Ipa do make Reji come house come celebrate with those children. Reji no gree, say if na for house she's not coming. Na so im come do o. E later pack those children comot for house go one better place, go do jangolova. Na im be dis video wey una dey see for my screen so. Im come out come appreciate each and every person wey allow their children come out. He appreciate the school of im children. He appreciate everybody for coming out to celebrate those children, because you know say if im no do am, Regina Daniel has been doing all those things for her children before now. Like they go sha torment am, they go do am wetin no good, they go pressurize im life join am. That day go be the last day wey im go do im single father reach. Im know as Regina Daniel dey do am, so im dey try all im best so that the children no go come feel am like something is missing. You understand? Na im make e later do am like that. He pack them from house, they go jolly for another station where they get playing tools. Una see where the children dey jump with other children. Some parents bring their children come, maybe close friends and allies, they bring their children, they celebrate. But you know the one wey come pepper Ipa pass, wey make am start dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata like fowl wey dem comot im feather by force. Hey, na the fact say Reji did not celebrate her children on their birthday. Like she no copy their picture from anywhere, come post am, come write as a mother, nothing. She no post them at all. Even though people now come go dey drag her say, she don already dey enjoy life, she don dey enjoy worldly things, na im make she no wan get time for those children. What will she gain if she gain the whole wide world and loses her soul? What will she gain if another na all these worldly things? She no wan return back to her family again, even after the man don apologize to her. She no wan return back again because of the kind life wey she don dey see for outside. Na im make she no wan return back. This, that. For how long she go continue before she say na Ipa be the problem? E no wan allow her see her children. Now they don allow her see her children, she no gree see the children. Even to celebrate her children, she cannot celebrate her children. They just dey talk a lot. They say person wey wear shoe na im know as e dey take dey pinch am. Na she dey inside the house with Ipa, na she know wetin her eye see. If she come decide say she no wan go back, and she no wan get anything to do with the man, and she no wan get any personal encounter with the man, because anything make her go there to celebrate the children's birthday, e might resolve to something else. And e might resolve to something else. Na only she na im know. Na only she don know the prophecy, the prayer wey dem don give her, and the things wey dem don tell am make she avoid. una dey push her by force say she must go, she must go, she must go. Why una no wan come go on her behalf? She don see worldly things, she don dey live life, she no wan go back, this one, that one, life don dey sweet her, she is more wetin wetin. Una just dey talk wetin una no know. So dat particular attitude wey Regina Daniel portray, wey she no gree post the children, because you know say im carry dem go studio dey snap fine fine picture wey im post, wey people dey give am accolade say omo the children are living well, the children are doing good, they are not looking like somebody wey dey even miss their mama at all. Una don see am now, say with or without Regina Daniel, those children are living their lives. So una come want make she dey for inside the marriage, come kpai put, so that by the time she kpai, the children go come live their life patapata. If dem grow, they go tell dem say your mommy tried, your mama do this, your mama do that, but she sha don go. E no better say make she comot and go dey alright first. If the children grow, they go later look for her and they go settle their differences. So as she no celebrate the children, she no even do like say she get pikin, she just dey her thing, dey her day, post wetin she like on her status, post wetin she want, wetin she really want post. She no go where the children matter dey. Na im Ipa come go call Mercy Johnson husband. Mercy Johnson wey be say e don stop to dey call dem, e don stop to dey reach dem for a very long time now. Dey avoid each other, dem dey do like say dem no know each other. All of a sudden, because im don see am say the only person wey Regina Daniel hold dear, because the last time wey Jarvis, the TikTok streamer, meet Regina Daniel, she even practically told Jarvis that her mama will be happy to see Jarvis, so she will be happy to have her around. Wey Jarvis come ask her say, your mama, as in your mother? She say no, her mama na Mercy Johnson. When she say her mom, she mean her biological mama. But when she say mama, na Mercy Johnson she dey talk about. Wey Jarvis come say, she will be very happy on a very good day to meet Mercy Johnson, this, that. So im know say they dey very, very close to Mercy Johnson, and that she dey hear Mercy Johnson word no be small. She dey hear Mercy Johnson, and e be like say all dis small small isolation, respecting yourself, stay in your lane wey Regina Daniel dey do these days now, she actually learn it from Mercy Johnson. Una know say Mercy Johnson na no nonsense person, and she dey keep her matter as family matter sacred. Anything wey she want make una know, na una go know. She no dey carry matter from here to here. She no waka reach here just to waka reach here. Na dem say Ipa look left, look right. He say the only person wey know say Regina Daniel hold there, wey im know she no dey use her dey play, na Mercy Johnson. And pride no allow am call the Mercy Johnson. He come go call Mercy Johnson husband, Okogie. He say, and when he call am, the man say he even surprised to see his call. Na im come start to dey explain, saying that this thing that Regina Daniel is doing, is it good? Even after he apologized to her using a popular blog. Now say if this information is correct, because true, we see say Ipa never come debunk, he never come debunk any news wey fly say they apologize. Even im lawyer, if una observe, the lawyer, she come out come talk a lot. She no debunk am say Ipa no talk say, or Ipa talk say. So true, na im use the popular blog take apologize, say make Regina Daniel come back, say without the head, the family no fit stand. So im come say im use popular blog take apologize to Regina. Still Regina Daniel still dey adamant, say and the children are disturbing him. They are asking him that even before, if they are not even disturbing him much, because of their birthday as e don near, and coupled with how she take do her 5 years and 3 years birthday that year, wey be say 5 days to the day, no be small outing, no be small waka, no be small chop, no be small thing, say only him no fit do am. So e come dey disturb dey disturb am, dey cry, say im express everything. He really talk as im take feel for that message wey im compose send for that popular blogger. At the end of the day, Regina read am finish. That time she come dey buga. That time she come dey feel like say she remain somewhere. That is that how e suppose to be? That let him help him talk to Regina Daniel. In short, make him talk to im wife, because im know say Regina Daniel dey lis ten to Mercy Johnson well, and nothing wey Mercy Johnson go tell Regina, wey Regina no go lis ten to, say abeg make dem help am talk to Regina Daniel, that this thing she's doing is really affecting him psychologically and otherwise. Say he has made a mistake, he has this, he has that, and that he is sorry. That is not what he meant to have done. He did so many wrongs, this one, that one. Say make she no look social media, whatever, anything wey she want make him do, him go do am. Said, and that is why he started with using a popular blog. And to the glory of God, the message circulates everywhere, of which he know say Regina go see am. Even though online in-laws, people were just busy saying, coming to do what? Let her not come anywhere. Say, make she no reason wetin people dey talk, oh, that it is coming from his heart. And make she just check her own heart and the happiness she's going to give to her family, and not what people will say. Say at the end of the day, na laugh they go laugh at if she take the wrong decision. So make she check am out. Na dey say Prince Okoje come tell am say, okay, say im go talk to im wife, but there are some issues wey be say im no wan dey like put im mouth again inside. Some opinions wey be say im no really understand where the matter dey come from. Im no dey like to like chook mouth inside. But for the fact say na im call am and na im seek for him talking to Regina Daniel, or talking to his wife to talk to her, he will try his best. But he should be rest assured that nothing that has a beginning that does not have an end. In as much as he is genuine this time around, he should stand on it. Make him no start a jump from one place to the other, looking for wetin he wan take hurt her, or he wan take annoy her, or do this thing that she cannot even pay. Wetin even pain Ipa pass, I tell una say, na that birthday wey she no celebrate her children, like e really crack am up. He was like, eh? So Regina go get mind her own children wey be say the beginning of this quarrel, e dey pepper her. If he carry am come out like this, e go dey pepper her. Wey he even come do press release say, when Leila too was not there, they used to carry Leila's children out. So why her own case wan come dey different? E as in, e make her look as if since na her life be that, e ready to cut am like NEPA light. Since na her life be that, nothing wey e no go do, e go use those children pepper her well well. Na Regina let her know, talk say, na wetin I want make you use pepper me, na you go take pepper me. You see me, I go show you. Omo, that thing really enter im body. E weak im body like idodo wey fall for inside groundnut oil. E pepper am well well. E no ever believe that Regina Daniel will go this length. If they ever tell am say Regina go avoid anything that has to do with her children for im hand, im go swear say na lie. E go even think say maybe at some point Regina go come fight am, or she go come do this one. And so she just allow am dey underground dey do her thing. As court don approve now, na she, if she like, anytime wey she like, you must not tell her when to do her stuff. Na if she like, na she go do. So Prince Okoje come tell am say im go try im best to see how he go talk to im wife, make the wife talk to Reji for the sake of the children. Say he will try. Na Ipa say no problem. Then court go now say, Ipa, oh, what you ordered versus what you got. So you never believe. Hey, yeah, God. When Mama Regina talk and say Regina get big man brain, like she be small pikin with the sense of an old person, we no believe. Una know say they say na the grandmama na im train Regina Daniel, which is Mama Regina mother, na im train Regina Daniel. So omo, her sense no be here own. She really don show this man all the things wey e dey do other women dey go scot free. Regina Daniel na im bin calm am, and she really meet am at the right time. Oh, sorry, Ipa, you go feel am like say you want to kpai, but you must not kpai and you will not kpai. Is that clear? So sorry, yeah, Yakubu, manage, Ipa, manage. So this thing, e dey pain like this. Yeah, sorry oh, my people, na the matter be this oh. So wetin Prince Okoje tell Ipa, e really sweet me oh. Abi, or what do you guys think? Do you think he should have said or advised him more, or it is the best answer ever? Do well to drop your opinion on the comment section on what you think, and give the video a massive thumbs up. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm the bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.